Brian Lahaff, Director with Garland. It was a live healthcare project in an acute hospital, St James's Hospital. It was a restricted site and the building site wasn't the priority on the campus. It was secondary to what was going on and being delivered. As a result of that, visualisation tools, point cloud surveys, getting the building in the right place, interacting with the buildings in its surroundings was an essential part to deliver the project. Getting that information right at design stage was essential to delivering on site successfully without any issues. The building was bigger from third floor up, so there was a large transfer structure at the third floor, and again visualisation tools helped us to visualise that and to understand the load paths and load transfers to design the structure that was required at that level. Really just been a big focus of ours since this project has just been the interoperability between our analysis model and our physical model and getting that right to shorten workflows.
Pat Kerwin, associated with Henry J. Lyons Architects. We had a very high aspiration of an A2 rated building. This would be the first in Ireland where a commercial project would achieve such a rating. We inherited an existing concrete structure, a 10-storey building on the edge of the Liffey. So we procured a scan to BIM survey, which enabled the design team to work with the existing structure to understand how we were to modify the structure to deliver the new design. Another key learning was the roles and responsibilities. These could have been defined a little bit clearer so that each member of the design team and specialist subcontractor would fully understand what they were doing and when they were to do it.
Ostick and Williams. The project involved coordinating pre-construction of fabric, structure and complex M&E systems which were constructed on a very constrained site. The limitation of space required greater planning and promotion of off-site fabrication. The use of 3D models during design stage included testing of crane turning circles and tracking of vehicles to give the client and project team greater confidence in the construction phase. Reporting has been thorough during the construction period, and there were very few site changes or outstanding RFIs to throw the project cost management off track. The client was in no doubt that the BIM Level 2 process improved predictability of outcome and helped successfully manage project costs. One valuable lesson from the project is showing the client the power of the data generated from BIM and how to use this data for FM. The client was so impressed by this in our project, they have now adopted a BIM approach to FM across their wider campus.
Mark Costello. I'm Director with responsibility for Building Information Modelling for the RPS Group. Raith Junction is one of the busiest junctions in Scotland, with over 100,000 vehicles travelling through it each day. Existing traffic flows needed to be maintained at all time. The use of BIM on a large infrastructure project and 2 years in advance of the UK BIM mandate was an innovation in itself. We took account of the soft landings objective, where we would align the objectives of those who design and construct the project with those who would subsequently use and maintain the asset. BIM is a very powerful tool to analyse complex infrastructure, and it is key to the successful implementation of stakeholder engagement, which is often forgotten on large infrastructural projects.